is a watermelon ice cream pop.
Watermelon ice cream pop?
Yeah, again, we're just using ice cream, but we're gonna make it look really cool.
Get out! I don't like you in there. I sound like the Exorcist. Oh my God, get out of there.
So when you do
okay,
this
I
at
got
home-
it.
When you do it at home, maybe make sure your ice cream is a little bit softer than the one we're using here. And what we're gonna do, that's strawberry
What
ice cream.
flavor? This is strawberry?
Yeah, this is the red part of the watermelon pop.
Gotcha.
So now we're gonna add in the watermelon seeds. So these are just mini chocolate chips.
Mini chocolate chips.
And then we stir that up, give
That's
that a
so
nice
cute.
stir. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer in a loaf pan with a little bit of plastic wrap. I use the plastic wrap because then it's easier to pop
Easier
out of
to
the mold.
unmold. Yep, okay.
So then what you do once it's nice and mixed, you just put it in here, you flatten it out, and you top the top of it with some pistachio ice cream. So you have like a green layer, kind of like the green part of the water.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
Super cool.
And then you take your popsicle sticks, you pop them down in there, and it looks like this.
I didn't even need to do this. There we go.
It's done. It's that easy. And so then, there it goes.
Oh, look at that. You unmold the whole thing.
You unmold the whole thing, and then you just slice it where the little popsicle sticks are.
Wow.
And you have
That's adorable.
watermelon ice cream pop.